Clove water is made by steeping 1 or 2 whole cloves in hot water. It isn't a miracle cure, but it contains eugenol and other plant compounds that researchers are studying. Here are 10 reasons people add it to their routine, and what the evidence really means. Number 1. Digestion. A warm, unsweetened drink may feel soothing after a meal, and cloves have traditionally been used for gas and digestive discomfort. But persistent bloating deserves medical attention. Number 2. Antioxidant support. Cloves are rich in antioxidant compounds that help protect cells from oxidative stress. That supports normal body defenses, but clove water cannot prevent or cure an infection. Number 3. Fresher breath. Eugenol has shown antimicrobial activity in laboratory studies. A mild clove rinse may temporarily freshen the mouth, but it never replaces brushing, flossing, or dental care. Number 4. Inflammation. Clove compounds show anti-inflammatory effects in early research. That may complement healthy movement and diet, but human evidence for relieving joint or muscle pain is still limited. Number 5. Blood sugar research. Some small studies suggest clove compounds may influence glucose metabolism. If you have diabetes, keep monitoring your glucose and taking prescribed medicine. Never replace treatment with clove water. Number 6. A calming evening ritual. A warm, caffeine-free drink can help you slow down before bed. The benefit may come from the relaxing routine, not from cloves acting like a sleeping pill. Number 7. Liver support. Without the detox hype. Your liver and kidneys already remove waste. Cloves contain antioxidants, but no drink flushes toxins from the body. Water, balanced food, sleep, and limiting alcohol matter far more. Number 8. Throat comfort. Warm fluid may soothe a dry throat and loosen mucus, while cloves' aroma can feel comforting. It does not treat pneumonia, asthma, or a persistent cough. Number 9. Skin health. Antioxidants may support overall health, but drinking clove water has not been proven to clear acne. For ongoing breakouts, use evidence-based skincare or speak with a dermatologist. Number 10. A low-sugar pick-me-up. Replacing a sugary drink with warm clove water may help you feel lighter and better hydrated. Lasting energy, however, depends on sleep, nutritious food, movement, and medical care when fatigue persists. To make a mild cup, steep 1 or 2 whole cloves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, then remove them. More is not better. Cloves can interact with blood thinners and diabetes medicines, and concentrated clove oil can be harmful if swallowed. If you're pregnant, having surgery, or taking medication, ask a clinician first. Would you try this gentle clove water ritual? Save this video and follow for more evidence-aware wellness tips.